Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you all are doing great, doing fantastic. I am also pretty good by the grace of Almighty. Welcome back to my channel, English with Manik Sir. Let's learn something new. Today in this video, I'm gonna share some advanced spoken English sentence structures with you. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before we get into our lesson, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Let's get started. চলো চা খেতে খেতে কথা বলি. Let's talk while having tea. চলো খেতে খেতে কথা বলি. Let's talk while eating. চলো গান শুনতে শুনতে কাজটা করি. Let's do the work while listening to music. Next structure. কেন যাওয়ার চেষ্টা করো না? Why don't you try to go